Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the real scoop on beauty products that make waves in the industry. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to elevate your at-home manicure experience, the Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro Gel-like Base and Top Coat Set. If you're like me, you've probably had your fair share of gel manicures that last, well, until they don't. But this product is offering something different. No lamps, no tools, and no damage. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's break it down. Now, what exactly are we dealing with here? The Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro Set includes a base coat and a top coat designed to deliver that high shine gel finish we all crave. But here's the kicker: no UV lamps required. You know how gel nails usually need that intense UV light to cure? Well, not this one. It claims to give you the same look and feel as a Salon gel manicure, but with the ease of a traditional nail polish application. These polishes are made to be long-lasting, offering extended wear and a glossy finish that doesn't chip easily. The best part? It's a base and top coat combo, so you get everything you need for a gel-like finish without the usual hassle or damage. So how did this product actually perform? I'll be honest with you, I had my doubts. After all, I've tried other gel-like polishes that promise great results, but fell short. But this one was different. First of all, the texture is smooth and easy to apply, making it a dream to work with. The base coat went on effortlessly, and it dried down fast, which was a big plus in my book. Then came the top coat. It's super glossy, providing that salon quality shine you'd expect from a gel manicure. The best part? It didn't take forever to dry like some other gel formulas I've tried. But the real test is always how long it lasts, right? I wore this combo for several days, and to my surprise, the polish stayed in place. I'm talking minimal chipping, which is impressive for an at-home gel-like product. It definitely lived up to its claim of extended wear. The glossy finish remained intact the entire time, giving me that just-painted fresh manicure look for days. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro Set offers impressive performance for a home manicure product. It provides a high shine finish, extends wear, and doesn't require any special tools like a UV lamp. It's also gluten-free, which is a nice touch for those with sensitivities. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While it does extend wear, I didn't find it to be completely chip-proof. It's not like getting a Salon gel manicure that lasts 2 weeks, but it's definitely more durable than regular nail polish. So if you're looking for something that can withstand a week of heavy typing or dishwashing, this might be perfect, but it won't last quite as long as those UV-cured gels. In terms of value for money, this set is priced in the higher range for base and top coat combos. You're paying a premium for the brand name, but given the performance and luxury feel of the product, I do think it's worth it if you're someone who wants to achieve that gel-like look without committing to a salon visit. Now let's be real, this product isn't the only one out there promising extended wear and high shine. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are plenty of options on the market, but not all of them deliver the same results. You can find lower-priced top and base coat sets, but they might not give you the same glossy, long-lasting finish as Deborah Lippmann's offering. So while it's not the most affordable, it's certainly among the best in terms of performance. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, which is always a plus. It's easy to store, and the bottles themselves feel like luxury items. As for longevity, I haven't experienced any major wear and tear with the product itself. But as mentioned, the performance is dependent on how well you maintain your nails. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer service, but Deborah Lippmann is known for their premium customer service. They've built a strong reputation in the beauty industry for delivering high-quality products and standing behind them. If you're wondering whether this product has had any updates, from what I've researched, there haven't been any major changes recently. The product appears to have stayed true to its original formula, which is a good thing for those of us who love consistency. If you're on a budget, I'd recommend looking into drugstore brands like Sally Hansen or Essie that offer similar gel-like effects. While the results might not be as long-lasting, they're great options for those who want to try out the gel trend without splurging on a premium product. So what's the final verdict? The Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro Set delivers a solid performance with a shiny, extended wear manicure that's easy to apply and doesn't require any special tools. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a salon-like manicure at home without the hassle of UV lamps. However, it's not completely chip-proof, and the price might be a bit high for some, especially considering the alternatives on the market. If you're looking for that luxurious, long-wear gel look and are willing to invest in quality, this could be the product for you. Before you go, if this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. Your support means a lot and helps us continue bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.